well, this last time we were talking about some celebrities and how they've done things like find more time and money and love.
Yeah.
And they've been able to do that. Do they have a secret recipe? What is their recipe?
There really is a secret recipe. So we talked about your past doesn't have to determine your future, and gave a few examples of well-known folks. Well, the deal is the way they became who they became, and the reason we know their names is because they figured out how to have more time, more money, and more love. And if we're all honest, we'd all love to have more free time, more money, more love. We'd all love that. So over the next several weeks, we're going to be talking about how to have more free time, more money, and more love. What this comes down to, Jeff, is how you think about each of these things. It's how you view them. So my goal in the next several weeks is really to get those of us that hang out together on these Monday mornings to get you to think, just to think about what you're thinking about regarding free time. Okay, so I would say, what do you think about regarding free time? What do you think about regarding money? What do you think about regarding love or relationships? Okay, so the bottom line is this. If someone was just as busy could be and their schedule was packed, okay, yet they look like they have plenty of time to do the things they love.
They got it all together.
Mm-hmm. And somebody else's schedule is packed. There's no free time. They're running. And they never have any free time and they're frazzled all the time. Here's the deal. They both have 24 hours in the day. Yeah. So what one person is doing with their time, what another person is doing with their time is what determines everything. But I'm telling you, it starts with how they think about their free time. So one person, if given a packed schedule, would still end up with a balanced life. Sure. The other one would still end up frazzled. It's true with money and love as well. If you took all the money and divided it evenly amongst everybody, the person who has learned how to think about money will still end up with more, and the other will still end up with less because of how they think about it. Same thing with love or relationships. One will end up, if we took all the people in the world and divided them evenly and said, let's all have the same amount of friends, one's going to end up with closer relationships, more friends, and one's going to end up lonely and alone. And it's, even if everything were even, it goes back to how we think about time, how we think about money, how we think about love. So that's like the only exercise today, okay, is think about what you're thinking about. Free time, money, love. And it's okay if what you come back with is, money is evil, or there's no free time, I'm constantly stressed, it doesn't matter what your answer is. No wrong answer, but it is important to know what you think about these three things as we head into the next few weeks.
Yeah, that's your homework. All right. Thank you, Donna. Appreciate it. Don't go away. We'll be back after this.